Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another unboxing video, but this time it's going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I just posted my Ipsy unboxing or unbagging, and I got my Boxycharm actually really late this month, and I was just away this past long weekend, so I know I wasn't going to be able to film it before the Ipsy one, but they never really come at the same time each month. Like Ipsy sometimes comes really quickly, and sometimes both of them don't come till the last week of the month, but oh well, I still wanted to get it up. I did look in the box because I do want to do more of a try on with Boxycharm products. I mean, it depends on what I get each month, so we'll see. But this one, let me just say that this is actually one of my most disappointing boxes that I've ever gotten from Boxycharm. And I took a long break from Boxycharm because a lot of the products were duplicates, and I did mention this in my Ipsy bag, in my Ipsy video, that I took a break because some of the products I just weren't interested in, so I canceled it, and then I kept on checking each month just to see what the spoilers were going to be, and it was just something I was not interested in, so I kept it canceled. But I finally decided to get back into it, and this is definitely not a good one to start off with. So, well, let's get into it. The first item in the box is this Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. And mine did not come with a little card, which they normally do. And that normally gives you the prices and information about all the products. So I did write it all down in my handy dandy notebook here. It says on the back that it deeply quenches the delicate eye area with the nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, and it tells you to apply at AM and PM and gently pat around the eye area. I didn't want to use this in this video because I just thought it would be weird to put it in this video because it's a skincare product that you couldn't really see applying, so I just decided not to. And this is what it looks like right here. It is 0.5 ounces, and oh, it's thick. I was not expecting that. That's in the cap, so it's a little bit thicker than most eye creams that I've used, but it feels really good. My under eyes have been a little bit dry, and it's weird for me because, I mean, yeah, the colder months, my skin gets pretty dry, but when it gets really hot and humid, my skin like does not know what to do, so it sometimes gets pretty dry now too. And I think I'm peeling a little bit on my face, so my skin is a little bit weird right now. I want to wait to try this out just to see if my skin kind of normals out before I try it. So that's that. This actually retails for $70, which is insane. This box is $25 now. Definitely makes it worth it. The second product in the box is this little box right here. And this is a Deborah Lippmann mini nail polish duo. And this has two mini polishes, and they both have 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. They're in these cute little bottles. I don't even know if I have a Deborah Lippmann polish. I know her polishes are pretty expensive. It comes with Can't Stop the Feeling, which is this pink one, and then Fire on the Horizon, which is this red. It's kind of like a reddish pinkish. Doesn't really look like a true red to me, but this duo retails for $20, which is pretty expensive for this little mini. I'm pretty sure, I tried looking everything up since I didn't have the card, and that's what I found. I don't know if that's 100% true, so if I do find that that was the full-size versions and the mini size was cheaper, I will put that down below. And the next product was this eyeshadow palette right here, and this is from Beauty Creations, and this is the Cali Chic palette. So here's the inside right here. It's a really pretty neutral palette, and I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, and I did talk about this in maybe an empties video or haul video or something. A lot of the Boxycharm and Ipsy products are brands that I've never heard of, or they're just pretty new to the scene, so it's nice for those brands to get in these boxes so people are more aware of the brand and can use their products. But that one's really nice. I did want to do an eye look in this video, but we'll get to that shortly. The next item is actually a perfume, which I don't even know if I've ever gotten a perfume in an Ipsy, or not Ipsy. I can't keep track of what I'm talking about right now. This is the English Laundry number 7, and this is a rollerball or spray. I think I opened this right when I got it, and I got it all over the place because I thought it was one and not the other. Yep. I thought it was a rollerball, so I went to twist this. Whoa. I went to twist this off, and I ended up twisting the entire thing off, and it pulled it out, and it got it everywhere. So this is a travel spray. This retails for $24.99. And the notes on this, the top notes are bergamot, lemon, and lavender. Middle notes are geranium, basil, and jasmine. And then the base notes are patchouli, musk, and cedarwood. Now, I do tend to like a lot of perfumes that have patchouli in them. It does make it last longer on my skin, but I do like sweeter scents. It's just something that I like better than other musky perfumes. I don't like citrus perfumes like at all. I only have a few of them, and a lot of fresh perfumes I'm not a huge fan of either. But this one is kind of interesting. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's pretty mature. At first it reminded me of Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel, but now that I'm smelling it again, it definitely does not smell like that. It smells like something else, and I really can't put my finger on it, but I want to try this out to see how long it lasts, because like I said, patchouli normally lasts pretty long on me. I am excited to get a perfume because I've never gotten it before, but unfortunately this might not be the best one for me. And now the last product, and this is the one I am kind of most upset about, and this is a palette from Crown, and this is the Pro palette. And this is called something, I think it's called the Color Fuego collection. But I'm upset about this because I already have this. I got this in a Boxycharm months and months ago. And like I said, I canceled my subscription for a long time. So it's been months since I got this. And it looks like my box was kind of just a box full of extras from previous months. Like, none of these products were listed as spoilers for this month's box, so I don't really know what happened with mine. I don't know if it was just a late box or whatnot, but that was not something I was happy about because it wasn't really a great start to my new subscription. So hopefully the next month will be a lot better. I've seen a couple spoilers, but who knows? I mean, with this one, I don't really have high hopes with the next one, but we'll see. So we're going to use my palette that I have already. The other thing I was not happy about is, yeah, we got 2 eyeshadow palettes, but you put them next to each other and they are pretty similar. I don't understand the need to have both of these palettes in this box. It's pretty much getting 2 of the same palette. So that's kind of frustrating. I'm gonna end up giving that second one to my friend or my mom, and I mean, this palette is good, the Crown palette. I have enjoyed using it, so there's nothing bad about it. It's just the fact that I've already received it, so it's just a duplicate product that they just kind of threw in there, so not very happy about that. But I did prime my eyes already with my MAC paint pot, and I'm just going to do something quick just to kind of test everything. I'm only going to use a couple of the shades, if not only one shade from the Crown palette, because I already have it and I already know how it wears. So I'm going to be using more of the Cali Chic palette. So first I'm going to go in with the Marina shade up here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And again, I'm doing something really simple because I just want to kind of see how these eyeshadows look and how they feel. Actually, I don't even think I swatched this which is weird because I normally swatch things like immediately when I get them. The pigment is coming off pretty nicely on my eye, and again, I did prime them. And I did not set my eyelids. I know I sometimes do after I prime them, but this time I didn't. Next, I'm gonna go in to the Sunset shade, which is this bottom one right here. And I'm going to just put that also in the crease just a little bit lower. Yeah, and see, that one is definitely more pigmented than the first one. It's a lot more orange. And then I'm going to go into another darker shade, the Beach Babe one in the middle, and I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Not too much. I don't want this too dark. So I'm actually just going to add it in the outer corner and just blend it a little bit up. And that's the most pigmented shade that I've used. I'm going to drag that a little bit underneath my lash line, actually. Next, I'm going to use the shade Tan Lines, which is this bronzy shade, and I'm just going to pop that on my lid with my finger. It's a really pretty bronzy gold. It kind of has an orange tint to it a little bit, but nothing crazy. And next, I'm going to go into the Crown palette. And the shade I'm going to use in this one is this top one right here. And I'm just going to put that in my inner corner and my brow bone. And like I said, these palettes are so similar, so you can get really similar looks with both of them. You definitely do not need both of them. But now I do, so there you go. Okay, so that's a really simple look you can do with it. You can definitely deepen it up a lot because you have those deeper shades. And in this one's a little bit deeper, right? This bottom row is definitely deeper than the Cali Chic palette. It has these two down here, but the shimmers are very similar in here. And I would say the Cali Chic palette is definitely darker with those two shades right here. Whereas this palette, the only dark shimmer really is this one. This one's lighter, and so are these two. But I do enjoy it. I think they went on pretty nicely. They blended really easily. I liked how that shimmer looks. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just threw on some Benefit Roller Lash, which is what I got in my Ipsy bag. This is one of my favorite mascaras, so I'm going to actually line my lips with this LA Girl Perfection Precision Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Flesh. It's kind of weird. And then I'm just going to pop on a Marc Jacobs New Nudes Sheer Lipstick, and this is in the shade Anais. So I will do that and be right back. Okay, so that is the completed look. Again, I do like those shades. I think they performed really nicely. But overall, I was not really happy with this box. The overall price of it is actually pretty high. Oh, I didn't say the palette price. So the Pro palette price originally was $39.99, which is pretty pricey for that palette. But now it's actually on sale on the Crown Brushes website for $9.99. So I'm gonna go with the $39.99 just for now. So adding it all up, the price of the box is actually worth $170. So it is a great deal. I mean, the box is $25, but I was just upset because none of these products were the products that were supposed to be in this box. So mine was kind of just an extra one that they threw a bunch of products together. So hopefully my June box will be better than this. So we will see. I will be unboxing that once I get it. Hopefully it won't be one of the last possible days of the month that I put it up, but who knows, we will see. That completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.